Boby, a man who loved naps more than Pickles, and that's saying something, snored like a runaway lawnmower. His wife, Natasha, a woman who could outwit a pack of monkeys, had had enough. One morning, Boby's snores woke Natasha with a jolt. She grabbed a feather and tickled his nose. Boby shot up, eyes wide, hair standing like a monsoon surprise. "Honeybees in my nose," he cried, flailing his arms. Natasha giggled. "Nope, just a little wake-up call. Remember, snoring contest at the temple today?" Boby's eyes widened even more. "Snoring contest? I signed up for a sacred hymn competition." Natasha burst out laughing. "Oh, Boby. Maybe next time, read the poster before you join the temple's biggest noise event." Boby sheepishly rubbed his head. "Well, guess I'll have to practice my snoring then. Any tips?" Natasha winked. "Sure, sleep with your head in a bucket of pickles. The tangy dreams might give you an extra honk." Boby groaned, but a smile tugged at his lips. He knew, even with his snoring mishaps, life with Natasha was always an adventure. And that was the sweetest snooze-free reward of all.